Hi and welcome to this video that shows an ICDL pretesting documents. So you just have to click continue after all the plugins have loaded. After clicking OK, you go to start the examination where you start answering the different questions. So you have to give it some time to load the questions. So question number 1, create a new blank document. So if you're told to create a new blank document, simply you're supposed to click on the file tab, and after clicking on the file tab you go to new, and then scroll downwards at this section and you'll be able to see blank document here, and then you just click on it, then click answer. Question number 2. Question 2. Save this document to the Z drive as a text file, that is .txt. Then do not change the file name, and you're told to accept the default settings. So go to file, save as, select the current folder, that is drive Z. Then under save as type, that is where you select plain text, and then you just click save. This plain text will give the .txt extension. Then you accept this and click answer to continue. Next question, why is it considered good practice to align text rather than using the spacebar? Paragraphs can be more accurately positioned between margins. Columns can be more accurately positioned between margins. Headers and footers can be more accurately positioned in a document. Page breaks can be more accurately. So the correct answer is the first one, on paragraphs being positioned well between margins. So after selecting the first option, you just have to click answer to continue. Next question, you want a paragraph to start on a new page. What is considered a good practice to do first? Number 1, we have press the insert key, press the enter key, enter an odd page section break, enter a manual page break. The correct answer is entering a manual page break. This will automatically ensure that this paragraph starts in a new page. So you're supposed to select the last option, which is the correct answer, then click answer. Next question, hide non-printing formatting marks in the document. So if you look at the document, you can see the marks. So for you to hide them, you click on home, and at this point you click to hide them, then you click answer to continue. Next, which one of the following is a good practice to use to navigate to a specific page in a document? Go to tool, autofill tool, format paint tool, custom dictionary. The correct answer is the go to tool, because once you click on it, it will request you to enter the page that you want to navigate to. So you just select the go to tool and then click answer to continue. Select the words "yours sincerely" near the end of the page. So you need to scroll downwards in the same document, search for the words "yours sincerely." So we are scrolling, here is "yours sincerely." So you just click and then select that way, then click answer to continue. Next question, enter the word dear just above the paragraph beginning I am. So you search for that paragraph, and since it's above it, so you just click and then you write the word dear. Then once you're done, click answer to continue. Next question, use the appropriate command to automatically replace all the occurrences of the word engineering with science. So we are going to use the find and replace function. So you click on find and then you type engineering. You can see it's going to show you the number of occurrences. You can see we have 3 results. So you go back to the home tab and then click on replace at this point, and under the replace with section you type science, and then you click on replace all. Then once you're done, you just close this, and after closing you click answer to continue. Next question. In the paragraph beginning my strong, enter the words and practical between creative and skills. So what you need to do, simply scroll downwards first to identify this paragraph, and after you scroll downwards, here is the paragraph my strong background. So we have to search for the words creative and skills. So here are the two words, so you click in between the words, and then you add and practical as stated by the question. And after you add and practical, ensure that there is a space after the last word, and then just click answer to continue. Next question. At the top of the page, change the font size of the address beginning with this and ending with the email to 9 point. So you're supposed to select the address. Actually it's here, so you need to select the address up to that point, and you also need to confirm for it not to select other parts. Then go to the home tab. Under this part you select 9 points, then just click answer to continue. Next question. Apply italic formatting to the address beginning with these words and ending with the email. So you just have to select the words given, then go to the home tab. Italics, this is where you apply. You just click, then click answer to proceed. Next question. Move the paragraph beginning I have, place it between the paragraphs beginning my objective and my strong. So you just have to navigate downwards, then you select the paragraph that we have to move. After selecting, you can right click and then cut it since we are moving, and then search for these the location where we need to paste it. So it's supposed to be between the paragraph that starts with my objective and my strong. So go to the home tab, under paste you can click the first or second option you've pasted, then just click answer to continue. Next question. Change the case so that the first letter of each word of the address begins with a capital letter. So you just select the address, then go to the home tab. Under change case you use capitalize each word, and after you're done with that you click answer to continue. Next question. Merge the paragraphs beginning thank you and I look. So you need to scroll downwards until you get the two paragraphs. So after you check, actually here they are, so you click at the beginning of the second paragraph and then you backspace to join them. Proceed. Next question. Apply a 36 point before spacing to the text you use sincerely. So you just need to scroll downwards and then you select the text that is yours sincerely. First select the text. After selecting the text, you have to go to the home tab and in the paragraph group click on the dialog box launcher. Here is before spacing, increase it to 36 points, and after you make it 36, what you need to do is to click OK, and after clicking OK, we are now done. You click answer to proceed. Next question. Justify only the text in the paragraph starting with I am and ending with a computer software consultant. So you just need to scroll downwards, then you get the specific paragraph. So we are looking for the paragraph. Scroll upwards. Here it is. Actually it's the among the top ones, so you select, and after selecting you go to the home tab. In the paragraph group, alignment is here, so you justify, and then you just click answer to continue. Next question. At the bottom of the page, apply the character style my style to the words yours sincerely. So you need to scroll downwards, get these words, that is yours sincerely, and after selecting the words, go to the home tab, and in the home tab, styles group, you can see my style is here. Click on it, then click answer to proceed. Our next question. At the bottom of the page, copy only the formatting of the words yours sincerely. Apply the formatting to the name yes below yours sincerely. So we use the format painter here. So after clicking on the format painter, we just highlight the other word that we are applying the format to, and after highlighting it, you notice that this format will be applied automatically. Then click answer to continue. Next question. At the bottom of the page, insert the picture happy.jpg from the Z drive. Place it below the name. So you need to click below this name here because that's where we are inserting the image. And then after clicking at this point, you're supposed to go to the insert tab. And after clicking on the insert tab, select picture. After selecting picture, you now go to local disk Z, then select the photo, then insert. It's here. Just click answer to proceed. Our next question. Move the picture from the bottom of the page to the top of the page. Place it just above the address. So what you need to do is simply to cut the image because we are moving it from one point to another. So you need to scroll downwards at the bottom where the image is, and then just select the image first. After selecting, you can go to the home tab, and then you cut it. Then scroll upwards because you want to put it at the top. So you scroll upwards above this address, then you go to home, and then you paste it there. Yes, as simple as that. Then click answer to proceed. Next question. On page 2, enter the word job in the first row, first column of the table. So you need to scroll downwards. This is the table here on page 2. So this is where you write job, and after you're done, click answer to continue. Next question. Apply a background color of your choice to the top row of the table on page 2. So you need to scroll downwards until you get page 2. And after getting page 2, you select the top row this way, and then you can go to this design tab here, and then shading. You select any color from this, and after you select, just click outside. Yes, it has been applied, then submit. Next question. Change the width of all borders of the table on page 2 to a half point. So you need to scroll downwards all the way to page 2. Here is the table. So first select the table, then right click on the table, go to table properties, go to borders and shading. At this point, that is where you change the borders to half point, and then you just click OK to proceed. Click answer to submit your answer. Next question. In the table on page 2, delete the column containing ref. So you have to scroll downwards where we have that table. Identify the column. So select the column. Upon selecting, you will get these options on the right. Go to delete, then delete columns. As simple as that. Then click answer to proceed. Next question. On page 2, apply a numbered list of your choice to the list beginning programming essentials and ending with system analysis and design. So you need to select the lists. Here is the list: programming essentials all the way to system analysis and design. So you need to select all of these elements, and after selecting all the elements up to the bottom here, you're supposed to go to the home tab, and in the home tab we have numbering here. You can select any of them. Then after application, scroll upwards to check whether it has been applied. You can see it has been successfully applied. Then just click answer. Next question. Remove the page number field in the document header. So what you need to do is to double click on the document header, and then you delete this field. Just click and then backspace, it will be deleted. And after doing that, go to the design tab and then close header and footer. Click answer to submit. Next question, change the right margin to 2.2 centimeters. So simply you have to go to the layout tab, then go to margins here, and then once you click on margins, go to custom margins at the bottom. And then since you want to change the right margin, you only change the right margin to 2.2 centimeters. Then after changing, just click OK. After clicking OK, you can click answer to proceed. Next question. On page 2, set a left tab at 3.5 centimeters in the paragraph beginning first name. So you search for that paragraph. Yes, here is the paragraph, first name here. So you select the entire paragraph, first name all the way to the Silicon Village. After selecting all of these, you're supposed to go to the home tab and click on this dialog box launcher. Then at the bottom, click on tabs, and then you can see alignment. By default it's the left tab, so we need to adjust this value here to 3.5 centimeters. And after adjusting it to 3.5 centimeters, we just click OK, and then click answer to proceed. Next question. Use the spell check function and make the necessary changes. Simply click on the review tab, and after clicking on the review tab, go to spelling and grammar. The changes will be suggested on the right, so you can make the necessary changes here until the computer tells you that the spell check is complete. And then once it's complete, you just have to click OK. And after clicking OK, you will have completed. So just click OK, then click answer to proceed. Next question. Change the orientation of the document to landscape. So simply go to the layout tab here, and orientation, choose landscape, then click answer to continue. Next question. Switch to the client list document. Simply click on the view tab. And after clicking on the view tab, go to switch windows. Click on the down facing arrow here, and after you click on that, you can see the document. So you just click on it, click answer to proceed. Next question. Open the file mailing from Z and select it as a mail merge main document of type letters. So you need to click on file to open the mailing document. So file, go to open, then you can browse, select the drive Z. Here is mailing, click on it, open, and after the document has opened, you need to go to the mailings tab here, then go to start mail merge, then you choose letters. We are now done with the question, so you just click answer. Next question. Insert the merge field last name to the right of the first name field. Then you're told to merge the form letter to a new document. So what you need to do, click on the right of the first name, then go to mailings, under insert merge field here, select last name, and after selecting it, go to finish and merge, edit individual documents, merge all of them. Just click OK. If you try to scroll downwards, you notice that the mail merging process has been completed and all the documents have been created. Even looking at the number of pages here, they've increased to 10. So click answer. Next question. Which one of the following best describes print preview? A view that shows only unformatted text within a document? No. A view that shows a document as it would look if opened in a web browser? No. A view that shows a document as formatted pages with breaks between pages? Correct. A view that shows only headings and subheadings in a document? That's wrong. So actually the correct answer is the third option. A view that shows a document as formatted pages with breaks between the pages. So you just need to click on this, then click answer to submit. You notice that we've cleared the examination, so you just click end to get your results. Yes, so if you scroll downwards, you'll see the result. So let's scroll downwards, see the result. Oh, you can see we've scored 100%. All the best.